Ayan, Tito Jonathan, you're the first meal.
Ay, message ka pa.
Ayan, will give a birthday wishes and message for Kali.
Message. Bro, message. Yung ano, untouchable ah.
Happy birthday sa ating more blessing na maging mabuting bata. Ay, gusto mo lang sa Love you.
Ayan, palapakan naman natin si Tito Jonathan. And of course, for the second one, may I call Tito Joel.
Pwede pala man eh.
Ayan, of course, Tito Joel. Magbibigay ko muna ng birthday wishes and message for Kali.
Happy birthday, Kali. Sana
Kay.
ikang mabuting bata ay sana makalitan ka ng pagmalaki dito.
Iyon.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Tito Joel. And of course, this time, diretso naman tayo kay Ninong Joseph. Ayan, si Ninong Joseph. Ayan, so you will give a birthday wishes and message for our birthday celebrant na si Kali.
Happy birthday, Kali. Wish ko maging mabuting bata ay malusog, mag-aaral ng mabuti. I love you. Happy birthday.
Ayan, palapakan naman natin si Ninong Joseph for the one more wish and message for Kali. And of course, for the next one, may I call Ninang Rachel.
Dami naman yan. Lahat ba yan? May message.
And of course, Ninang Rachel, you will give a birthday wishes and message for Kali.
Happy birthday, Kali.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ninang Rachel. For the next one, may I call Ninang Ria.
Rhea.
Ayan, wish and message.
Rhea.
Happy birthday, Kali. Hindi lagi kay Mama at Papa.
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Ninan. And of course, for the last one, para sa ating deal, may I call Tita Annabel. Tita Annabel.
Ganda mo yan, ha?